Did you know your body isn't as normal as you think? It's a walking, talking, biological marvel, full of secrets that sound like science fiction. Today, we're uncovering 10 shocking facts about the human body that seem impossible, but are completely real. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's start with a wild one. Fact 1. You glow in the dark. That's right. Humans actually emit light. Scientists have discovered that our bodies give off a faint, visible glow, but it's about 1 billion times weaker than what our eyes can detect. This isn't some mystical aura, it's a phenomenon called bioluminescence. It's caused by tiny, complex chemical reactions happening inside our cells all the time. As these reactions occur, they release photons, which are particles of light. So at this very moment, you are literally glowing. You just can't see it. Imagine if we could, the world would look incredibly different at night. Ready for fact number 2? Your stomach acid can dissolve razor blades. The acid in your stomach, mainly hydrochloric acid, has a pH of around 1.0 to 2.0. That's incredibly acidic, strong enough to melt certain metals. In controlled experiments, scientists have shown it can completely dissolve thin steel blades within a few hours. So, how do we survive with such a corrosive substance inside us? Well, your stomach has a brilliant defense mechanism. It constantly rebuilds its own lining every few days. A thick layer of mucus protects the stomach walls from the acid. Without it, your stomach would literally digest itself from the inside out. You're basically a walking, self-repairing acid tank. It's both terrifying and amazing. Moving on to fact number 3, and this one might make you look at dust a little differently. You shed about 8 pounds of skin every single year. Your body is in a constant state of renewal, and your skin is no exception. Every minute, you lose somewhere between 30,000 and 40,000 dead skin cells. They just flake off without you even noticing. When you add all of that up over a year, it amounts to roughly 8 pounds of skin. And here is the kicker. A significant portion of the dust you find in your house isn't dirt from outside. It's you. A little unsettling, but it is just a sign that your body is working hard to keep you healthy and protected with a fresh outer layer. Fact number 4 will change how you think about your skeleton. Your bones are stronger than steel. Ounce for ounce, human bone is incredibly resilient. To put it in perspective, a single cubic inch of bone can withstand over 17,000 pounds of pressure before it fractures. That's more than 4 times the strength of concrete. But what makes bone truly remarkable is that it's also light and flexible. This combination is perfect for supporting our bodies, allowing movement, and absorbing shocks from daily activities like walking or running. Your skeleton isn't fragile. It's a dynamic, living tissue and a true masterpiece of natural engineering. It's both strong and lightweight, a design that engineers still try to replicate. Now for fact number 5. You have a second brain in your gut. No, I'm not kidding. Scientists have nicknamed our gut the enteric nervous system. It's a complex network of over 100 million neurons embedded in the walls of your intestines. That's more neurons than you'd find in a cat's entire brain. This second brain operates independently but also communicates constantly with the brain in your head. Ever had a gut feeling about something? That's literally your second brain talking to you, processing information and influencing your mood and decisions. In fact, your gut can make decisions and trigger emotional responses before your actual brain even consciously reacts. It's a huge part of what makes you, you. Let's talk about your heart, with fact number 6. Your heart creates enough energy to power a truck. Every single day, your heart beats around 100,000 times, tirelessly pumping over 2,000 gallons of blood throughout your body. That's an incredible amount of work for a muscle that's only about the size of your fist. If you could harness the energy your heart generates over a lifetime, it would be enough to drive a truck around the world, not once, but twice. This remarkable organ works non-stop from before you're born until your last moment, all without a single break. It's the most efficient and reliable pump ever created, powering your entire existence. Fact number 7 is a bit of a reality check. Your brain actively edits your perception of the world. You don't see reality as it truly is. You see the version that your brain constructs for you. Your eyes are constantly capturing fragments of data, light, color, and shapes. But there are gaps, like the blind spot where your optic nerve connects to your retina. Your brain seamlessly fills in these missing pieces, making educated guesses based on past experiences and context. Sometimes, it even creates or alters memories to make a situation fit a coherent narrative. So, the reality you experience isn't something that exists purely outside of you. It's being written and rewritten inside your head every second of the day. All right, brace yourself for fact number 8. This one's a bit creepy. You are covered in mites. Right now, tiny microscopic creatures are living on your skin, especially on your face. They're called Demodex mites, and they're 8-legged arachnids that live inside your pores and hair follicles. They are most active at night when they crawl out to feed on the oils your skin produces. The good news is, for most people, they are completely harmless and a natural part of our skin's ecosystem. But yes, technically, there are tiny bugs crawling all over your face while you sleep. It's a strange thought, but it's a perfect example of the hidden world that exists on our own bodies. Fact number 9 is a fun one to test for yourself. You are taller in the morning. When you first wake up, you are, on average, about half an inch taller than when you go to sleep at night. How is this possible? It's all thanks to the cartilage in your spine. Your spinal discs are like little cushions between your vertebrae. Overnight, while you're lying down, there's no gravitational pressure on them, so they expand and absorb fluid, making you slightly taller. Then, throughout the day, as you stand and walk around, gravity compresses these discs again, and you gradually shrink back to your evening height. It's a daily cycle of stretching and compressing. And finally, fact number 10. This one is perhaps the most profound of all. You are made of stardust. Almost every single atom that makes up your body was forged inside a star billions of years ago. The carbon in your cells, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, all these essential elements were created in the fiery hearts of massive stars. When those stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in spectacular supernovas, scattering these elements across the universe. Over billions of years, those elements came together to form planets, life, and eventually, you. You are not just living in the universe. You are the universe, becoming aware of itself. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate what you're really seeing. Remember that you're a glowing, metal-melting, stardust-carrying being with a second brain in your gut. Your body is, without a doubt, the most mind-blowing and sophisticated machine in existence. If you found these facts as incredible as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing insights into you and the world around you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.